Let's do it. Monster Jam under the water. Oh, this is a giant pipe with water rushing out. That's amazing. Oh, it's holding. The water is holding kind of a little bit. Hey, that is so cool. Ow, let's try. Ow, try the unicorn.
Okay.
It's the smallest. Will it hold? No.
Fight, wanna fight. Wanna fight.
Okay, put it on top, and now we wait until the water starts again. Adding a little. Wow. And the unicorn. Now we wait. Whoa! Hey, don't touch. The wheels are spinning so fast. Okay. Wow. It's too heavy. Too heavy to move. Wow. Can you do a backflip? Wow, monster down. Hey. Flew right at me. Ah, big jaws crushing and the tail. Follow the road, the water road. Whoa, that's pretty. Will the monster truck get smashed? Ow! Come on, unicorn! Let's do the big guy. The big dragon
Crashing! That was cool.
This truck joined in. Oh yeah! Crash landing. Giant splash. Yeah. Following this path.